Hello students, in today's video we are going to discuss about bitwise operators. First of all, enter any two integer values, enter first value or first number you can write, then enter second number you can copy, you can write here second number, enter second number, here you can write y, print first number x, then print second number, it's y. Now execute. First number is 12 and second is 15. First number is 12 and second is 15. Now for the operations of bitwise operators. First one is bitwise AND. Bitwise AND. Print here or you can write A1 is equal to binary, then X and Y, like this. Before I start with writing these content, print the numbers into binary format so that you can understand well about bitwise operators. Print first number in binary is, you can write here binary, then X dot replace binary into empty. Now copy and paste the content here. You can write second number in binary, here you can write Y. Now execute the program. Suppose I write 12 here and 31 here. It means I can print the data in binary, 1100 and 1111 and 5 times 1, basically it's 31. Now bitwise AND. Bitwise AND. Here I can write binary, then X and Y, then dot replace. You can copy the content and paste here. Now execute the program. First is 12, second is 15. Now what is the meaning of AND? Basically, if both the values are 1, only then the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. You have already completed this content in DCLD or in plus 2 about AND operations. Suppose I copy and paste the content from here. The next bitwise OR, you can write OR here, then execute the program. 12 and 17 bitwise, and the answer is 0. Basically this one is 0 double 1 double 0. That's why the output is like this. First value is 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 1 0 0 0 and 0 1. The answer is 0. What about OR? OR operation is, the answer is 0 0, or question is 0 0. Basically the input is 0 0, only then the output is 0, otherwise the output is 1. Execute again. Suppose I write 12 and 13. Now check the output. 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. The second one is bitwise OR. It means if both the values are 0, only then the output is 0. Otherwise output is 1. Double 1 0 1. You can convert these values into decimal system also. Suppose I write here A1 is equal to Control X, Control V, and place here A1. Then the second value, you can write A2 here, Control X, Control V. You can write A2 here, A3, Control X. These are the similar operations, nothing else. A4. You can declare the variable basically, or you can save these values in some variables A4. These are the 4 operations we have completed. First is conversion into binary, both the numbers into binary. Then AND operation, bitwise AND and bitwise OR. Suppose I have to convert the number into decimal format. I can write print bitwise and answer in decimal is, you can write here int A3 comma 2. Basically this operation become possible or easier while we store this operation into some variable. Now copy this content and paste here bitwise or answer in decimal is, here you can write A4. Now execute the program. Suppose I write 31 here and 42 here. These are the two values, 31 and 42, both the numbers in binary format. Then bitwise AND answer in decimal is 10, and bitwise OR operation, then bitwise OR answer in decimal. The next one is bitwise XOR. Now you can copy and paste. For XOR operation, then you can save into A5. Here you can write bitwise XOR answer in decimal. Here you can write A5, and also you can change here A5. It means you can find the value in binary as well as decimal format. Suppose first value is 13 and second is 17. You can find out the answer. Bitwise AND in decimal, bitwise OR in decimal, then bitwise XOR in decimal. Now what is the meaning of XOR? Basically, if both the values are same, the answer is 0. Input are same. If both the inputs are different, the answer is 1. Now left shift and right shift operators. Control C and Control V. Suppose I write right shift 2 and save the value in 6, 6 and A6. The first number is 12 and second is 13. Now check the first value. You can find out the selected content also. That's the first one. First number is 12. And what about next value? This one, this operation. This operation is required. Or first number in binary. This operation is required. You can do selected operation. First number in binary is 1100. Then right shift, it's 11. Basically, you have to delete the last two values in right shift. If I am doing left shift, and check the output, I have to add 2 zeros on the right hand side. Do the selected operation only. Let us execute again. Only this value, this selected portion. The answer is 48. Now the value for 12 is, check this value, 1100, and the last two zeros are included. Now the value becomes 48. You can change here bitwise left shift, left shift, answer in decimal. And here you can write right shift. You can do all the operations one by one. After writing this, I will perform again. Right shift, and here you can place the variable in A7. Here you can write A7, A7. Control L. Enter first and second value. Do the selected operation only. First value is 13 and second is 16. These are the two values. Now you can print the numbers. First number is 13 and second number is 16. And then you can print the values in binary format. First number is binary and second number is in binary. Suppose I have to do this operation. It means I can select this one and execute. Bitwise left shift. Then similarly you can do for right shift. It's bitwise right shift. You can do selected operation also. These are the contents about bitwise operators. I repeat again. First one is bitwise AND, second is bitwise OR, then bitwise XOR, then left shift and right shift operators. Hope you understand the concept of bitwise operators in Python.